Today I'm making oven-baked panko-crusted Parmesan chicken. First I have my breading station set up, so on a plate I have thinly sliced chicken cutlets, then in the next bowl I have some blue cheese dressing, and in the bowl after that I have some panko breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese, and then I have a baking sheet with a wired rack on top. First I'm going to take a piece of chicken and dip it in the blue cheese dressing, and then I'm going to coat it in the panko Parmesan mixture and then place it on the baking sheet. Then I'm going to repeat the process with the rest of the chicken and then bake this at 350 for 30 minutes. Once the chicken was done, I added it to a plate and serve it with your favorite dipping sauce. I'm serving mine with some buffalo sauce.